Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to go over something that I do sometimes when I know that I want to doodle, but I don't know what I want to doodle. Here I am using my faithful Hannah Mueller sketch pad, but you can use anything you want. The supplies I use is going to be listed in the description below. So anyway, an easy way to doodle is to doodle simple shapes. Like in this case, I'm doodling a square. Obviously, I'm doing more than one square. But you get the idea. And I'm using a template that I got off of Amazon. It has a lot of geometry shapes that I use. And I'm using the Doodle art acrylic paint pens. I like these a lot because they're consistent. They don't smear, and you can, if you want to, use it with varnish, but obviously in a sketchbook you won't really want to varnish. So here I'm just inking in the various lines I did up, and you can follow the lines as they appear, or you can vary it up. Whatever you want to do. So if you can tell, I am still working on my ability to speak after my stroke last year. Now here I had an accident with the pen, but that's okay. I'm going to incorporate that with the doodle itself, and you'll see when I can continue. But anyway, what I'm doing now here is rounding out the points where two or more lines intersects. I like doing that because to me it makes the doodle more complete and kind of organic. But anyway, going back to my speech, hopefully that's not going to be a problem with you. understanding me. With each video I do, I think I have more control over my speech and diction. There are some words that I still have a problem saying, but overall, not bad. See how I incorporated the goop up of the mistake. You can hardly tell that it was a mistake. And here I'm adding some random lines. I want to have as very varied amount of lines as possible without it being too busy. So the next time you're bored, give this a try. I'm sure you'll be able to do it better than me, but just to have fun and go for it. Until the next time, I hope you enjoyed the video and got inspired. Thanks.